Domanda 1. Complete, you underscore 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 wear a seatbelt in the car, it's the law. A. Should. B. Must. C. Can. D. May. The correct answer is B. Must expresses a strong obligation, often a rule or law. La respuesta correcta es la B. Domanda 2. Complete, I think you underscore 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 study more before the exam. Advice, A. Must. B. Have to. C. Should. D. Can. The correct answer is C. Should is used to give advice. La respuesta correcta es la C. Domanda 3. Choose the correct negative meaning. It is not necessary, you underscore 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 come if you don't want to. A. Mustn't. B. Don't have to. C. Shouldn't. D. Can't. The correct answer is B. Don't have to means it is not necessary, different from mustn't, it is forbidden. La respuesta correcta es la B. Domanda 4. Choose the correct meaning. It is forbidden, you underscore 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 smoke in here. A. Don't have to. B. Mustn't. C. Shouldn't, weaker. D. Don't must. The correct answer is B. Mustn't means it is forbidden / prohibited. La respuesta correcta es la B. Domanda 5. Complete, she underscore 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 to work every day, it's part of her job. External obligation, A. Must. B. Has to. C. Should. D. Can. The correct answer is B. Has to expresses an obligation that comes from outside, rules, other people. La respuesta correcta es la B. Domanda 6. Choose the correct question, underscore 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 I have to bring my passport? A. Must. B. Do. C. Should. D. Can. The correct answer is B. Questions with have to use do / does, do I have to? La respuesta correcta es la B. Domanda 7. Complete, you underscore 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 see a doctor if the pain continues. Advice, A. Must. B. Have to. C. Should. D. Mustn't. The correct answer is C. Should is used for recommendations and advice. La respuesta correcta es la C. Domanda 8. Choose the correct sentence. A. He must have finished the report today. B. He must finishes the report today. C. He must finish the report today. D. He must finish the report today. The correct answer is C. After must we use the base form of the verb, without to and without s. La respuesta correcta es la C. Domanda 9. Choose the correct past form of must / have to, obligation yesterday I underscore 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 to study for 3 hours. A. Must. B. Had. C. Should. D. May. The correct answer is B. Must has no past form, so we use had to for past obligation. La respuesta correcta es la B. Domanda 10. Complete, you underscore 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 eat more vegetables, it's good for your health. Advice, not an order, A. Must. B. Have to. C. Should. D. Mustn't. The correct answer is C. Should gives friendly advice, softer than must. La respuesta correcta es la C.